This is Mike. Here's, I've finished the procedure on the headlight. What I've done is took the 2000 grit sandpaper made by 3M, and this is it's a stage 4 sandpaper. It works really good as a water sander. You can buy it at your local AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, anywhere. We're working on a 2001 Chevrolet Avalanche, which has oxidation on the headlight lens itself. And if you've got an air hose, go get you an air hose and blow this headlight off. It makes it a lot easier for the drying process to begin. Once you've cleared all the oxidation off the headlight, it's going to look a little bit filmy looking, but it's all smooth and clean. So what you do next is you take, it's made by Blue Magic, it's called Headlight Lens Restorer. You take and you shake the bottle up really good. Take the solution, put enough on it to cover the lens itself. Always try to have a cloth on the vehicle that you're working on in case something spills. You've got room to cover it so it doesn't get on the vehicle itself. Always take pride in what you're doing when you're doing it, especially if you have a customer. There's a lot of gimmicks out there that will work and some that won't, but this is the best one that I found. And I've had more comebacks on it since then, since I've been in business for myself. Plus I work for Dean Soil Recovery out of Dunn, North Carolina. I also do this on the side as a hobby. And I also tell people when you're cleaning your headlights and you're cleaning your car, wax your headlight after you, if you wax your car. Clean it up too. This process is usually done twice. Once it's rubbed in just like wax, you'll want to go ahead and give it about 5 or 10 minutes. Let it dry a little bit, then wipe it off. Any of this solution on any part of the vehicle will be fine. Just try to wipe it off, if it's on the vehicle at all. You can use a fine terry cloth. This is from one of the customers that come in the shop, and they gave us a lot of the cloth, so it helps us work in the shop too when we have spills and things. Once that process is done, still has a little solution on it. If you want to wet it, it helps it go on better so it doesn't basically scratch the lens. And we repeat the process because it says in other directions about repeating the process. And go ahead and do this again. Lay it across there, run it across like they're real smooth. Let it sit there for just a minute. Let it soak into the headlight. What this is, it's re-lubricating the headlight, and it'll protect it for a long period of time. You do the same process again. You'll want to massage it into the headlight. And while that's drying, you can go down here on the Avalanche, you can do the bottom lens. A lot of times the bottom lens is not going to be as bad as the top lens because it's not dried out as fast because there's no halogen bulb on it. We'll take the sandpaper again and wet it. A lot of times, like I said, you won't find very much residue on the bottom headlight, which is usually the parking lights and things like that. They don't put up as much heat as the top ones do. There's no oxidation hardly at all on this light. We won't damage it. We'll go ahead and still coat it because it's part of the procedure as we're doing the headlight. You notice that the headlight on the very bottom is not as bad as the top one. You can see as you do this, and you got the solution on here, it's drying. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to dry, and the more you let it set, the better off you are. And the solution to set up, it turns a little powdery color, same way wax does on a hot day. Help get it drier quicker by blowing a little bit of air on it. That is, if you have an acceptance or a use for an air hose. In the sunlight, this solution will dry a lot quicker, so you have to be careful. Don't let it dry too hard. If you do, it'll be really hard to get off, and it'll leave a lot of residue on the vehicle itself. See, it's powdered up a little bit. We'll start taking it and just wiping it clean. The softer the cloth, even a chamois, an old chamois that you're not using anymore would be ideal for this. As you can see, the process is complete now. This lens is good for up to 2 years. I just require that you take good care of your headlight because over a period of time, it will oxidize. Because of the sunlight and running the headlight sometimes 6 to 8 hours at night really dries it out. So take good care of your headlights and they'll take good care of you on the open road. Thank you for joining me. My name is Michael Lawrence, Dunn, North Carolina. If you need to contact me, you can contact me at Cowboy #4 Christ 85@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. We look forward to hearing from you.